Lata Mangeshkar, the legendary Indian playback singer, has left an indelible mark on the world of music with her melodious voice. While she is primarily known for her songs rather than quotes, here are some famous quotes attributed to her, along with some quotes about her. Music is my religion. I have always sung from my heart, and that is why people connect with my songs. Sing is my passion, earnest love, and the secret of my energy. I have been blessed with a gift, and I am grateful for the opportunity to share it with the world. Music has the power to heal, to touch the soul, and to bring people together. I believe in simplicity, both in my life and my music. Age is just a number. If you have the passion and the will, you can keep doing what you love. Age is just a number. If you have the passion and the will, you can keep doing what you love. Each song I sing is a story that I want to convey to the listener. I am a lifelong student of music. There is always something new to learn. I am grateful to my fans for their love and support throughout my career. I consider myself a messenger of emotions through my songs. I have had the privilege of working with some of the greatest composers and lyricists in the industry. My voice is a gift from God, and I try to use it to spread love and happiness. Music transcends boundaries and languages. It is a universal language of the heart. Quotes about Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar's voice is a national treasure. A.R. Rahman. She is the nightingale of India, and her songs will live on forever. Kishore Kumar. Lataji's voice is divine. It has the power to move mountains. Asha Bhosle. Her songs are timeless classics that continue to enchant generations. K. Yesudas. Lataji's dedication to her art is unparalleled. She is an inspiration to us all. Shreya Ghoshal.